Hey there, here's how to edit the side menu on your LG Smart TV. Let's start off by activating the side menu. Press the settings button. And here we have it. Now we have two ways to start the edit mode. We can go to the top and across to the right. This is the edit icon. Click it and you can see we are in edit mode. We can go back. And the second way to get into edit mode is to select one of these smaller panels and press and hold. And again, you can see we are now in edit mode. At the bottom of the screen, there is a plus sign, and this allows us to add an extra button. So let's click it. And here are the options you can add: privacy and terms, game optimizer, time locks, black level, adjust contrast, color depth, adjust sharpness, color temperature, tint, and energy saving step. So to add any of these, all you need to do is highlight one and click OK. You can see it's placed itself in the bottom left and it has arrows on each side, allowing you to move it to a place that you would like. Once you're happy, just click OK, and this will save that position. At the top, we're still in edit mode, so click back, and you can see Game Optimizer has settled in the bottom left position. Now let's say we want to remove this item. What we can do to get back into edit mode is press and hold. We're now in edit mode, and just click on the item you want to remove. We have move and delete. Click delete. Are you sure? Yes. And the item is removed, and all we need to do is come back out of edit mode and we are back where we started. So hopefully now you'll be able to adjust your side panel and get it exactly the way you like. If it's been helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.